Here's the best manifestation challenge you're ever gonna take. You're never gonna need another one. Don't put any of your energy anywhere else except for this, because this is going to work. People pay me for this. I'm not gatekeeping a thing. I want you to get what you want. Also, there's no hashtags on here because this was made for you. That means you're ready. We are going to do scripting and storytelling, but I'm gonna tell you the secret sauce that everybody and their mom has been leaving out on TikTok that's making it to where you're not actually manifesting what you want. This is going to be so much fun. Okay, you need to grab your journal, not an electronic thing, it has to be paper. And I want you to start writing down what you want to manifest. I want you to write it down with so much description that it is actually transporting you into the experience and you literally forget you are in your room. You forget where you're at. If someone came in and looked at you doing this, you would look like a crazy person because you would be just not here. You would be like experiencing everything you're writing. So here's the sprinkle of sauce that you need to know to do this right, because I do not want you wasting your time. You are not done with this activity until you literally feel like you just went and experienced it. The reason being is two things. The first one, law of attraction. What about you is doing the attraction, right? It's your energy, it is your vibration, it is your mood. So if your mood is experiencing this, then the universe is going to give you all of the opportunities and put all of the pieces and the momentum in the background that you don't see. It's going to make all of it to where you get everything that you want because you've already broadcasted that you are there and that you felt it. It is who you are. Your mood is who you are, not your thoughts, your mood. So law of attraction, we have to feel it if we want it to come to us. The second reason why you have to feel it, and this dust is driving me crazy. The second reason you have to physically experience it is because it is making your body used to the feeling. Your body is a creature of habit. It's going to do what it's comfortable doing. If you can get it to where it literally feels like it's already done the experience before, when you're out in the world in the 3D and the experiences come to you, your body's gonna go, oh, I've done this before. You're naturally just going to take the behaviors and take the steps that the world has pieced together for you to receive your manifestation. You're literally being guided by the feelings you've made here out in the real world. You're manifesting your partner. You have to be able to sit here and feel them wrapped around you, them embracing you. Feel how at ease you would feel if you had them. Feel how loved you would feel if you had them, and how feel yourself giggling and you guys playing in the kitchen, and like take yourself to it, right? If you're manifesting money, then I need you to take yourself to a place where you feel you have had money, not received the money, but you've had the money. Like a month in, let's say that you wake up and you check your bank account and you have all of these deposits and you can see your texts and you can feel, oh, I got the money again, I got the money again. And you go to your bank account and you see the commas that you want to see and you feel that ease of, we can go do whatever we want today, y'all. Like, I love money is just flowing in. I've got money. I don't even know what stressing about money even feels like anymore. Like, take your body to that feeling. If you're trying to manifest a healthier body, a glow, if you're trying to manifest a certain aesthetic, then I need you to be able to take yourself to a place where you feel that you are in your perfect body, that you feel you are moving without pain, that you feel that you have the glow and the clear skin and the clothes on your body and the confidence when you're walking down the street, and whatever you're manifesting, I need you to literally feel it while you're writing it down. If you don't feel it, it's not going to work. Do this before you go to sleep and take the feeling that you have now made from this into sleep with you. Whatever feeling you go to bed with is the feeling that you are going to implant within you, and that is the feeling that you are going to wake up with. So you want to make sure that you go to sleep with these feelings and make sure that you milk it, literally drift to sleep, still thinking about it, still feeling like you have it. Drift to sleep like that, and then that will implant into your subconscious, and then you will wake up feeling like it. It might take a few days for you to like really be able to have the mind control of being able to continuously hold that feeling and not let those anxious, anxiety-ridden thoughts come in. but you will be able to get there over time. So basically, storytell, transport yourself to the experience, allow your body to feel what it feels like to have your desired outcome already achieved and how it feels to have had it been achieved, and then fall asleep with that feeling. That is day 1. Save this and follow me so that day 2 comes up on your feed tomorrow.